number 4 of the build series. Today going through the Holley Mid-mount accessory drive, taking off the existing harmonic balancer, installing a new one, installing water pump, power steering pump, alternator, and AC compressor. In the process, we install a little, I don't know what you call it, but you bolt it to the to where the starter bolts up, and it locks the flex plate into place. That way you can torque everything correctly on the harmonic balancer, and kind of just, you know, keeps everything in place to where you can make sure your torque specs and everything are correct. During the process, we had a couple of hiccups. Mainly the AC compressor, the threads were not completed. Whoever manufactured it didn't finish threading the back end where the bolts go into, so had to tap those, get those correct. And other than that, it's a fairly smooth process. It's a little bit time consuming, but it's in no way difficult. It goes together easy. Just have to take your time, make sure you follow your torque specs, and basically it's good to go. I have a laundry list of items that need to be ordered. Number 1 will be headers. I tested a set of No Limit Engineering headers on it yesterday to make sure they would fit. They fit great. The only problem is they're long tube headers and they hang below the frame a little bit too much. So I borrowed them from my buddy Tackle Box. He's putting them on his 68. So I just wanted to kind of test them out and see if we could get a cheaper set of headers than the ones people typically use on this chassis. So I think we'll order a mid-length for those. We'll be ordering exhaust tubing and mufflers soon. That'll probably be the next step, will be exhaust. That will be very time consuming, a lot of welding, getting all the stainless in, routing it, mocking it up, getting it to where it looks clean and nice and not thrown together. Then from there, we will probably be doing fuel filter, fuel pressure regulator, fuel lines, connecting everything, running power steering lines. What else? Just little odds and ends like that. Trying to get as much as I can done before we put the cab of this truck onto this frame. Honestly, that's probably not too far away, but want to get really as much as I can get done. Might even start some of the wiring on the engine just to kind of get it done before we put everything in. But making good progress, going a lot quicker than I expected. So Jim, the owner of this truck, unfortunately is going to have to spend some money soon so we can get some more parts. I'm actually burning through almost everything that's already been purchased on for the vehicle. So sorry, Jim. But hopefully we'll get some stuff in there soon so we can start getting some more videos. But probably be contacting him to get an order going and then moving forward. But anyways, hope you enjoy the video and enjoy the process of the build. You'll have a good one.